Welcome to Paul's Kitchen for another exciting version of Who Knew What You Could Do with Italian Salad Dressing. Today we're going to do a Chicken Florentine. It's a sauteed chicken breast, boneless, topped with spinach, tomato, and cheese with a little gravy. We're going to have a sweet potato. We're going to have corn on the cob, which the corn on the cob is already in the pot here. And all I do is shuck it, boil it, and I put in confectionery sugar. Makes it nice and sweet. So let's just dump that right in. Lots of it too. Alright, there we go. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you how I do the chicken breast. But before we start, I want to introduce you to my special guests. Here we are. Start with my niece, Marianne, my friend Andrea, Debbie, my sister-in-law, my brother Tony, and of course my daughter Ash. Hi. Alright, so we take our chicken breast. We put it in here inside the plastic. We're going to take our mallet and we're going to pound it down, kind of like down and away at the same time. Flatten it out. Okay. Here's our finished product, how it looks. Nice and flat. We'll cut that in half. We're going to flour it, and it'll look like this.
Yummy.
A little more flour. Okay. We're going to saute it. We're going to do our spinach. Okay, spinach is going to be in a white wine garlic sauce. So let's start that first and put it aside. Our trusty little pan. Some oil going. If I can open the damn bottle. What's this, like a trick one? Alright, you stay there, I'll try this one. Alright, so a little bit of oil, a little bit of minced garlic, by a little bit, about a teaspoon. Okay? Put that right in there. We're going to put a little butter in. I'm going to swirl it around the pan so all the spinach gets the flavor. Okay? Alright, get that cook off. Spinach is really quick. We'll put a bunch of it in there. Do you guys like spinach, I hope? Good. And then our white wine.
If he could drink, he would.
I can't drink. Put the finger over the top like this so you don't spoil too much wine. A little bit. Spinach cooks like that, really quick. And there's that flavor. Smell that? Not you can't
yeah,
smell it.
I don't like it.
Smell that? The white wine guy? So nice?
Does smell good though. It smells good.
It smells awesome.
The vineyards of
The garlic.
Yeah. My potatoes, shut that off because that's done. My sweet potatoes, all I do is obviously peel them and then I cut them like this. Just so you can see. I've got a bunch right here. We're going to parboil them and then we're going to finish them in the pan. Alright. So let's get going with the chicken because we're all hungry. We want to eat, don't we? Let's throw this in too. I ain't touching that one. So, as usual, I have my seasonings, my Sazon, Goya, garlic powder, salt and pepper. We have a little chicken broth, and of course, the Italian salad dressing. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so I'm just going to flour it one more time. There we go. flavor all over. Before we put them in the pan, I'm going to season it up on one side. A little bit of sazon. Garlic. Pepper. And some salt. We'll put the seasoned side down. Stop right there. Get one more piece in there. Okay. Garlic powder. And this one will go down too. Okay. In this pan, we're going to slice up some tomatoes, and we're going to cook the tomatoes well. Put that in there. Need a clean board. So just slice it up. Now I'm going to season the other side of the chicken, the breast. See how it's starting to turn color? You guys want to come over and see? Come on over. Check it out. Come on, get in the video. Come on, let's have some fun.
Don't burn yourself.
Okay. See how it's starting to change the color? About almost halfway done, and then we'll flip it. Okay. Now I got a very crazy burner, as you can see, it's very high. Not like in the 80s when we were, but... Alright. Right at the end we'll do the Italian salad dressing, a little bit of chicken stock. I'm going to make a gravy right after. We'll pour it right on top. Do it on the potatoes. Show those potatoes out? They are. Good. Okay. Get over here.
No,
Come on.
okay.
Come here.
You gotta be in the video. You're the biggest fan.
Come on. She's my biggest fan.
Nice.
Other than me, because I got a big ego.
Haley's gonna be jealous, Dad.
Oh, she's my biggest fan in this country.
There you go.
So we're going to get it nice and hot, see? So we're going to put the chicken right in. We're going to flour it like we did here. You see I got a bunch of them ready here. Season it up. I didn't give myself enough space, did I? Garlic powder. And salt. Put this right down. Now the Italian salad dressing. You want to do the honors?
Sure. Why not?
Come on over. I want to show you how you want to do it. I just shook it.
Okay.
Now, it's going to flame up, so be careful, alright? I want you to do a decent squirt, not a big one.
Okay.
Ready? I'll tell you how much.
Okay.
Perfect. Watch out.
Excuse me.
Nice,
Hold
huh?
on, gotta open that one.
Big plan.
Doesn't that smell great?
Yeah.
Now, to keep it from burning or drying out, we're going to put a little chicken stock in. So I put the spinach right on top. Now I'm just going to slice of tomato. Right. Just like this. See, I put the tomatoes right in here. Cook them up. Now I'm finished with some American cheese. Finish it down a little bit. Let that melt. This one's catching up. You see how it's starting to melt? Coming out nice.
Looks yummy, honey.
Little technical difficulties. What do you do with my, never mind, I got it. May I have a plate? Actually, you know what? Can I have that paper plate? Oh, we just want to put them together. Show the picture when it's all done. Yeah. Put that one on hold. We'll be ready in a few minutes, guys. You can talk. You don't have to be quiet. You can talk. Go ahead. Sorry.
Hi.
That was crazy, wasn't it?
That's how I get grease on my ceiling, by the way.
I never seen it.
Yeah. Or cleaned it.
Just gonna pop one of the potatoes, probably about 4 minutes. Then I'll finish them right here. Saute them all up. And then we get to eat. Yay! That's what the chicken Florentine looks like when it's all done. The tomato, the spinach, and the chicken, and the cheese, which you guys are going to have real soon. So, Deandra made me a shirt. Look at this. Who knew what you could do? And check out the sleeve. Paul's Kitchen. Her right here. This young lady right here. This is her creation. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Paul's Kitchen gets a gift. And here's our finished product. I have the corn of the cob, but you know what corn of the cob looks like. So, hey, if you think you're going to like this video, please go to YouTube. Put Paul's Kitchen, then type in who knew what you could do. Somewhere on that page is a little red button that says subscribe. Please hit subscribe. It's free. Do it for me, do it for you, but mostly do it for me. Till next time, say bye to all my guests.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.